Among the world's leading pistachio producers, the United States holds a prominent position, with California contributing over 99% of the national supply. In 2022 alone, the California pistachio industry set a new milestone, generating a staggering $1,800,000,000, 0 cents in revenue from a record 1.03 billion pound harvest. Behind these impressive numbers lies a meticulous and fascinating journey, from nut to shell to snack, that showcases a remarkable blend of traditional wisdom and modern agricultural technology. All will be revealed in today's video. A pistachio's journey begins with careful selection of fertile soil. American farmers favor soil that is rich in organic matter, well-drained, and has an ideal pH range of 6 to 8. This ensures that the hardy but selective pistachio tree has the best chance of thriving. Pistachio propagation typically begins with placing the seeds in a damp cloth and keeping them in a dark, well-ventilated area until they begin to sprout. Once germinated, the seeds are transplanted into small pots filled with loose, nutrient-rich soil. With regular watering and warm conditions, sprouts will soon emerge from the soil, signaling the beginning of their long journey. Pistachio trees are often planted in raised beds to improve drainage and prevent waterlogging, a condition that can severely damage their root systems. Farmers maintain a spacing of about 12 to 15 feet between each young tree to allow adequate sunlight and air circulation. Patience is important, however, as pistachio trees mature slowly. It can take up to 8 to 10 years before they begin to produce fruit, and more than 15 years to reach maximum yield. Their growth cycle is unique, alternating between high and low yield years, a phenomenon known as alternation of fruiting. This requires growers to employ precise management techniques, including pruning, fertilization, and irrigation schedules, to optimize the health and yield of their orchards. Pollination is a crucial stage in pistachio farming. Unlike many other fruit trees that rely on bees, pistachios rely on the wind for pollination. Buds begin to form the previous summer, and flowers bloom in April. By June, the fruit has reached full size and its shell has begun to harden. By July, the nuts inside are fully developed, marking the countdown to harvest. Timing is crucial. Harvesting usually begins when the temperature is still cool in the early morning, not only for the comfort of the workers, but also to preserve the quality of the nuts. Modern pistachio harvesting relies heavily on specialized machinery. Despite their humble appearance, pistachio harvesters are marvels of engineering. These machines grip the tree trunks and create powerful shakes that cause ripe pistachios to fall into the catch frame. The machines are designed to move smoothly between trees and to disassemble and reassemble quickly to ensure minimal loss. Only a few nuts fall to the ground, and the operator can adjust the machine for optimal performance. This mechanization greatly increases efficiency, especially in large-scale orchards, reducing the burden of labor and ensuring timely harvest. And as the days warm up, harvesting is halted to avoid the emissions from the freshly harvested pistachios, which can affect the health of workers. Then the focus shifts to transportation. Baskets full of pistachios are gently loaded onto trucks and taken to nearby processing facilities. Here, the pistachio's journey continues, with transformations as complex and important as its cultivation. The first step in processing is shelling. Pistachios are brought to the facility in clusters, often with leaves and twigs mixed in. A shelling machine removes these impurities and performs the initial shelling, minimizing debris before the nuts are dried. Approximately 70% of the shells are removed using abrasive techniques, streamlining the subsequent processing stages. This is followed by more delicate washing, scrubbing, and shelling using advanced equipment specifically developed for the task. This advanced technology not only ensures thorough hygiene, but also saves water and energy, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability. Drying plays an important role in preserving the quality of pistachios. The automatic dryer, equipped with temperature and humidity sensors, uses indirect heat to carefully balance the airflow. This process reduces the moisture content of the pistachios to approximately 9%, a level that maintains a crispy texture and extends shelf life. The final stage involves storage and packaging. Packaging is done using vacuum bags or plastic containers, both of which are moisture resistant and ideal for long-term storage. These modern preservation methods ensure that pistachios retain their flavor, texture, and nutritional integrity from the orchard to the consumer's table. If you enjoyed exploring the incredible journey of pistachio farming from seed to shelf, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Let us know what surprised you the most, or share your favorite way to enjoy pistachios. Your support helps us bring more stories about the fascinating world of agriculture and food technology to life. Have you ever seen how star fruit is harvested at its peak ripeness? In this episode of our agricultural journey, we head to Taiwan to explore a carambola farm where the star-shaped fruit with its sweet and tangy flavor is carefully cultivated, harvested, and processed. From the orchard to your table, join us as we uncover the fascinating journey of star fruit and how it's transformed into a variety of delicious products. Star fruit, also known as carambola, is a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia. Famous for its unique star shape when cut crosswise, star fruit has become popular worldwide for its refreshing taste and nutritional benefits. Taiwan, with its ideal subtropical climate, has become one of the main places where star fruit is grown. The fruit flourishes in Taiwan's warm, humid environment, becoming an important part of the island's agricultural landscape. The journey of the star fruit begins with cultivation. Star fruit can be grown using many different methods, of which growing from seeds is one of the most popular ways. To start, growers need to choose seeds from ripe star fruit, ensuring good quality seeds. After being treated, the seeds will be sown into nutrient-rich soil, ensuring the soil has sufficient moisture and good drainage. The germination process requires patience, but the result is healthy young seedlings, carrying the potential to grow into strong star fruit trees in the future. In addition to growing from seeds, star fruit can also be propagated by grafting, which helps maintain outstanding characteristics from the mother tree, such as high yield and stable fruit quality. Healthy grafts are selected from mature trees and mounted on compatible rootstocks. This process requires meticulousness, from precise grafting to post-grafting care, to ensure the tree grows healthy and adapts well to soil and climate conditions. This is an effective method that helps shorten growing time while ensuring high quality for each crop. The star fruit tree needs constant care to grow strongly and produce high-quality fruit. Farmers focus on providing enough water and nutrients through drip irrigation systems, which help deliver water directly to plant roots, ensuring necessary moisture without causing soil waterlogging. At the same time, organic fertilizers rich in potassium and phosphorus are used to promote fruit growth and improve crop quality. In addition, starfruit trees also need to be pruned and trimmed periodically to maintain balanced and healthy growth. This helps remove old, weak, or pest-infested branches and leaves, thereby improving light conditions and air circulation in the canopy. Thanks to that, the tree can focus its energy on nurturing the fruit while reducing the risk of pests and diseases and increasing productivity and quality in each season. Starfruit flowers often grow in clusters in leaf axils or on tree branches, creating a simple but vibrant beauty. Usually, starfruit flowers begin to bloom in early spring or early summer. The flowers are small in size, purple, pink, and white in color with a gentle fragrance, attracting many species of bees and butterflies to pollinate. Starfruit flowers not only play an important role in fruit production, but also contribute to beautifying the starfruit tree, highlighting the natural beauty of the garden during the warm months. When starfruit begins to grow, farmers often wrap the fruit in specialized bags. This technique helps protect fruit from adverse factors such as pests, insects, direct sunlight, heavy rain, or strong winds. Thanks to that, starfruit not only avoids damage but also maintains a smooth skin, ensuring quality. Wrapping the fruit also helps reduce the use of pesticides, creating safer products for consumers while enhancing the commercial value of starfruit. Starfruit trees begin to bear fruit about 2-3 years after planting, with peak yields during the fruiting season, depending on the region. In tropical climates, starfruit trees often produce multiple harvests each year, making it a profitable crop for farmers. Thanks to this characteristic, starfruit not only meets domestic consumption needs, but also becomes a stable source of export goods in the international market. Harvesting starfruit requires skill and precise timing to ensure its distinctive sweet and tangy flavor. Ripe fruit typically has a bright yellow color with a slight green tint, indicating it is at the perfect stage for picking. Farmers use specialized tools, such as pruning shears, to carefully detach the fruit, preserving its quality and avoiding damage to the tree. Harvesting starfruit from higher branches demands extra care, while the process is generally carried out in the early morning or late afternoon to maintain freshness. After harvesting, the fruit is sorted by size, shape, and ripeness to select the best products for the market. And today, I will introduce the process of making starfruit juice in the factory. First, fresh starfruits are harvested and transported to the factory, where they undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove dirt and impurities. After that, the starfruit is washed with a high-pressure water system, ensuring that the entire fruit surface meets hygiene standards. Next, the star fruit is put into a processing machine where sugar is added to balance the natural sourness of the fruit. The star fruit is then pureed, turning into a smooth mixture to retain its fresh flavor and nutritional value. Finally, this mixture is passed through a modern filtration system, removing residue and impurities, leaving only pure juice. The final product is bottled or canned in a sterile environment, ready to reach the consumer. And that's all for today's video. We hope you have enjoyed this insight into the world of star fruit farming and processing. If you find this video useful, please like and share with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow more interesting information about the world of agriculture. See you in the next videos.